Hi everyone, welcome to C2C Mentors, and this is going to be a very important information for all the IFT applicants out there. जो आपकी exam postpone हो गई थी in some states because of the natural reasons. The date has arrived, the new date has arrived, that is 23rd of December 2021. One of our students at C2C has shared his admit card wherein he has got the date as 23rd of December. Exam remains 2 hours ka 10 a.m. to 12 noon. 9 a.m. is the reporting time. Gate closing time at 9:30 a.m. So all the details remain the same, but the new date of examination, which is 6 days from now. अब सवाल ये बचता है, what should you as the applicant do on your part to make the best out of these 6 days, right? So just strategize your study, strategize your time very well. Time management will be very, very important now for the last 6 days. It is a wonderful opportunity to get into one of the top B schools of the country. So it is very important for you to be very mindful how you spend your time now. I would suggest every one of you to start studying or at least going through the IFT questions or IFT papers in the given timing of test. For example, if it is 10 a.m. to 12 noon, just sit at one place at that particular time for 2 hours and concentrate on your studies. Touch base on all the sections that are asked in your exam to set up your biological clock. Now, when it comes to your preparation part, apart from like whatever the biological clock part we discussed, preparation part, I would strongly advise you not to go and start with some new topic or learn some new concept, but revise what you've been doing so far very thoroughly so that you become very comfortable with the things you know and you not know, right? Because in competitive exams, especially IFT or any other exam, you will be tested on your decision making when it comes to question selection. So I want everybody of you to become very comfortable with what kind of questions you know, what topics you know, and which topics you do not know. So this is very important. Practice the questions, go through the questions, do it passively, do it actively, and utilize these 6 days for the best results that you can get and get into the top B schools of the country, that is IFT, a beautiful B school that offers you plenty of opportunities when it comes to placements, your batchmates, beautiful thing. So it also offers you many international opportunities. So this is your chance to make it real big. Get going, get started, start hustling, and get it to IFT Delhi. That's all for this video. We will be uploading a detailed strategy video about how you should be calculating or how you should be going about these next 6 days till your IFT exam in some time. So stay tuned to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss these important videos. And till then, keep hustling, keep working hard for your dreams. Take care. Bye-bye.